We already know that she threw a fit when the judge would not let her leave during the trial. And can I tell you something? The judge is right. Because if she had been allowed to leave during the trial, later on appeal, if there is conviction, she could argue, I missed part of my trial. That's unconstitutional. I have a right to be there for every single thing that happens. And she would be right. She has to stay for her trial.
Judge Boyce has manifested the excellent control of this courtroom. Our Idaho Criminal Rule 43 gives the defendant both the right and the responsibility to be present at all significant stages of a felony case. So the judge, I agree with you, did the right thing in exercising his sound discretion not to allow her to be removed from the courtroom. That exchange between defendant and lawyer about a piece of evidence, about an objection, about something that comes up in the courtroom takes instants or seconds, and if she's not there, that's an appealable
Well,
issue.
here's another thing, David Leroy. Let's follow this train of thought through to its logical conclusion. We know that cult mom Lori Vallow wants desperately to get out of the courtroom. She doesn't want to see photos of her dead children, burned, buried, entirely reduced to literally a bucket of burned fat. She doesn't want to see that. Well, I would argue she should have thought about that before she had them killed. But that said, can't you just see her making a break for it in the middle of the presentation, and that would lead to a mistrial, a hung jury, a problem, a reversal? So maybe those shackles, which to her benefit are covered in fabric and obscured from the jury's vision, is actually saving her from another trial and from some outburst that she would very likely produce in court.